Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am going to show you a beautiful and easy DIY pearl embroidery crop top design. We will decorate this stylish black ribbed crop top with a simple flower pattern made of white pearls. This design look elegant, trendy and perfect for casual outings, parties and festive wear. Material we need are a plain black crop top, white pearls or pearl beads, needle and matching threads, fabric marker or chalks, scissor, small golden beads. These material are easy to find and budget friendly. First, choose the center of the crop top. For the main design, I decided make a cute flower pattern using white pearls. The flower becomes the highlight of the crop top and gives it a classy look. You can lightly mark the design with fabric chalk before stitching. Start stitching the pearls one by one to create the flower petals. Sew each pearl securely so they stay in place after washing. Make 5 or 6 petals around the center and then add a pearl in the middle. Take your time to keep the shape neat and symmetrical. The white pearl flower stands out beautifully against the black fabric. To make the crop top more stylish, add small golden beads around the flower and across all front of the top. Keep equal spacing between the beads for a balanced and elegant look. This simple details gives the top a premium design touch without making it too heavy. After completing the embroidery, check the back side of the fabric and tie secure knots. Trim any extra thread carefully. Make sure all the pearls and beads are firmly attached. Your beautiful handmade pearl embroidery crop top is now ready. This elegant crop top can be styled with high-waisted jeans, long skirts, palazzo pants, denim jackets, ethnic skirts for a fusion look. It's perfect for college, brunch, casual parties, festive occasions, and even photo shoots too. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY pearl embroidery crop top tutorial. If you try this design, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY fashion embroidery, art and craft ideas. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.